Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change shape of text in Canva. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So once first you need to add the text. Go to the text and you can add the text like this. Okay, now double click into it and write your text like this. Okay, you can select this. You can increase the size of this text. Okay, go here and just increase that size. You can also change the text font. You can also increase the size like this. Just select that side dot and just drag and just increase the size. Okay, so if you want to change the text shape, so here just select the text here and go to the effects. Under the effect you can see here the option called shapes, and here the advanced shapes you have. So you can select the shapes and you can change it by dragging. Your right side will be go down curve, and at your left side it will be go the up curve. Okay, once you satisfy, just release it. Now you have that text shapes as a curve. Okay, and here we have the more advanced shapes like this. You can select that and you can increase the thickness. Here the some setting you can do. And here the app. Okay, so you can use also apps. I will show you. Let me undo everything. Okay, so if you want to use apps, so here go to the apps and search for text shape. So here will have some server text application here. You can select anyone. Okay, some are paid, some are free, and if there is a paid application, so there may be 2 3 credits of available free credits. You can use it. So here the text shapes, you can shuffle the layout, you can reset it. Okay, and here the custom text, you can change the text. Okay, here the quick add your text, it will be add here, and you can add more color. If you want, you can add more color like this. It will be add here. Here the how many words you want, 60 whatever, so you can change it. It will. And the supporting text, so you can add the text, it will be changed around it. Here the text color you can change. Here the supporting words weight, and just add to design. And here the shapes you can change. Okay, so here we have lots of shape you can select and make customize and just add to design. So now we have these shapes. Okay, text shape you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.